Wow, look at all these pretty birds! So many! They're so colorful!
Yes, they're flying so happy.
Hello friends, today we are learning birds. Birds can fly and sing beautiful songs. Let's see colorful birds. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots can copy sounds.
Mom, the pretty bird.
Yes, sweetie, it is! So cute!
Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock have colorful feathers.
Wow, pretty bird!
Yes, it's a peacock.
It is,
Owl.
sweetie.
This is an owl. Owls come out at night. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguins love cold places.
Yay, penguins fly.
Duck.
So cute!
This is a duck. Ducks love being in water.
Mommy, look.
Ay, so adorable!
Yay, hi, ducky.
Swan. This is a swan. Swan looks graceful and beautiful. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle fly very high.
Wow, sweetie.
Flying so high!
Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Flamingos are pink and tall. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are small and quick. Crow. This is a crow. Crows are smart birds.
Look at its shiny black feathers! Wow, so pretty!
Bye. Bye-bye, crow.
Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeons live in cities.
Look, Mommy, a cute pigeon.
He is cute. Let's give him some bread.
Yay, keep a little bird.
Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees.
Wow, Mommy, look, a woodpecker.
Yes, sweetie, he's pecking the tree.
Cool.
Nature is amazing.
Toucan.
Wow, Mom.
This is a toucan. Toucans have colorful beaks.
Wow, a toucan!
How cute!
Hello,
Robin.
Maybe, sweetie.
This is a robin. Robin sings sweet songs.
Tweet, tweet, la la la.
Doggy, hi, pretty bird.
This is a turkey. Turkey has fluffy feathers.
Oh, what a proud turkey!
Yes, so
Hen.
pretty, yes.
This is a hen. Hen lays eggs. Rooster. This is a rooster. Rooster wakes us up in the morning. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfishers catch fish quickly.
Wow!
Seagull. This is a seagull. Seagulls fly near the sea.
Look at the seagull, sweetie!
Wow, Brady,
Canary.
having fun.
This This is a canary. Canaries sing sweet songs.
That's my big frog.
Birds are beautiful and fun. Which bird do you like the most? See you in the next one video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye friends. Bye for now.